Oh, dude, this is holy shit. That is strong.
Yeah.
Hello! I'm being arrested. I'm being arrested.
We're recording right now.
Oh my god, I feel violated. I'm being sexually assaulted. Nobody. I'm being sexually assaulted. I'm searching your help me. I will protect.
Imagine getting pulled over for a simple red light and within minutes you're peeing your pants, faking a seizure, and screaming assault at the cops. You don't have to imagine it because that's exactly what happened here. Welcome back. Today, we have one of the wildest, most embarrassing DUI arrests ever caught on body cam. I'm going to break down her exact mistakes and show you how her own mouth ruined her life. Stick around because her final trick at the end is pure chaos.
What are you doing?
Hi. What are you doing?
What are you covering up?
I'm not covering anything up.
You literally just threw everything down onto the floorboard.
I was grabbing my bag for my license.
You were literally throwing shit down.
I'm parking here because I work here.
She tried covering something up on the floorboard.
Hey, Jenny.
Do you know why I'm pulling you over?
Why?
You're gonna give me attitude right now? Like you're annoyed? Because you went right through the red light in front of us at orange and okay.
I'm late from break and I'm sorry.
Ma'am, do me a favor, put your car in park.
I can't because I pulled over because I saw you behind me.
Put your car in park.
So there's an open bottle of tequila in the car. How many drinks do you have today?
None.
Why is there an open bottle of tequila in the car?
There's not.
Why did you blow by that red light?
I didn't blow by a red light.
Okay, you did. Do me a favor, put your phone up there.
I'm not gonna hang up.
Ma'am, just take your phone out. Right now, you're detained for a traffic stop, okay? Do me a favor.
I'm already parked.
Ma'am, do me a favor, step out the car for me.
I'm gonna bring that.
No, you're not, ma'am. Please step out of the car. Ma'am.
You can't take my
All
phone.
right, don't resist. You're gonna go to jail.
Oh.
It's not resisting. It's not resisting.
Don't pull away. Stop. She's fighting. Stop. Stop. Let go. Do it now. I said let go.
I could have my phone.
You reek of liquor right now.
What is going on? Sienna, make sure you stay on the phone, please.
I wonder if she's involved in study 3.
Sienna.
You do not need to be here. I'm hanging up with you, ma'am.
No, do not hang up my phone. That's illegal. I have a brother that's a police officer.
Okay, well, guess
you
what?
hanging
You're
up my
looking at two
phone
police.
is believed.
All right,
I'm doing her a favor because
How?
if she comes here to this location
She
and
won't come
obstructs this
here.
investigation, she goes to jail. So I'm
She
doing
will
her a
not
favor.
interrupt us.
She's literally looking for your location right now.
Ma'am, you've been extremely uncooperative at this point.
I'm cooperative. What
You're not.
do you guys need from me?
How many drinks do you have? Because you reek of alcohol.
I have not had any drinks.
Nothing.
Nothing.
So if I do some exercises, are you willing to do some exercises?
Okay, let's do it. Yes.
If I take you out of these handcuffs, are you going to cooperate?
Yes, sir.
If you act up, you will get charged with additional charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, I will not accept.
Why did you urinate yourself?
I didn't urinate. I sat in juice. You know, you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Ma'am, I don't know what you know, but you committed.
Peeing yourself is a huge sign that you are way too drunk. But look at her excuse, I sat in juice. When you're drunk, you can't come up with smart lies, so you just say the first silly thing that comes to mind. She is literally sitting in her own mess, but still trying to act sober.
A traffic violation at Orange and
But
Washington.
you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Who said that?
You can't. I know that.
So are you going to quit?
Yes, I am.
All right, I want you to follow this blue light with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your hands onto
Sorry,
your
there was
side?
a raindrop.
You're moving your head. So we're going to start this.
Am I moving my head?
I'm not asking
No,
you.
I
I'm
haven't.
telling you. Ma'am, I'm not
Can we do it
arguing with
again?
you. We're going to do it again.
Okay.
Ma'am, don't just follow this with your eyes only. If you are unable to
sorry.
do it, I will stop the exercise and determine that you're unable to do it. If you're unable to
Sorry.
follow basic
I
directions.
can follow.
Okay.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Can you imagine a line from here all the way over there? Can you put your left foot on that line? Your left foot. That's your right. Your right foot heel to toe. When I tell you, you're going to take 9 heel toe steps. Plant your lead foot, take a series of small steps, and take 9 heel toe steps back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10.
Same way I instructed you. You said you understand my instructions?
That was 9.
Okay.
So do you like me to do more?
The way I instructed you.
1, 2, 3, 8, 9. I have now did 18. Is there anything else you would like?
The way I instructed you. Remember my instructions?
Yes, sir.
Then do it the way I instructed you.
I did that.
So you're done?
No.
Okay. Okay, the next exercise we're gonna do is the one leg stand. You could pick any foot you want. You're gonna take that foot, raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground, you know, the height of a soda can, and you're gonna count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. So you may begin at any time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is hard. 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 26, 27,
All right.
28.
This is where her brain just completely gives up. The officer asked her to do one simple thing, count out loud. Instead, she jumps from 7 to 11 and then skips straight to 26. This isn't just bad balance. She is so drunk that she literally forgot how to count.
Okay, so how many drinks did you have today?
I have not had any.
None at all.
No.
Okay, look at my partner. All right, and then can you do a forward dive like this? Yep. All right. Now you're additionally getting charged with DUI.
So what happens when they breathalyze me and see I have no drinks?
Well, that's up to the judge to decide. Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You'll get that.
Do you have anything on
I
you?
need my phone.
It's gonna
Get
come
in
with
the
you.
car.
Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You're gonna get another charge.
Get in the
Get
car.
in the car. Do it now.
What's the other charge?
You already have a resisting
resisting
charge.
right
I'll
now.
get another one.
We're giving you a lawful order.
My phone
You need to
has
get in
a
your car.
phone
Your
number.
phone will go with your phone will go with you, but it's not coming with you in the back of the car. It's gonna come up front and then it's gonna go with you into jail.
So can you please get that?
Wash your feet. Oh, dude, this is holy shit. That is strong.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I did not realize that was that heavy. You're good.
No. Come on, get in there.
Officer Blum. Officer Rosario will be on your. Will be. Huh? Actually, no. Quite literally, you are. Hey, when her phone landed on the seat, so she's going to work here, but the maps is up on her phone, and it says it's 22 minutes from her location.
Earlier, she got mad and told the cops she parked there because she works there. But her own phone just snitched on her. The GPS map clearly shows she is still 22 minutes away from where she's actually going. Drunk drivers always try to pretend they are exactly where they belong, but your phone will always expose the truth.
You know, you also don't have a valid license, multiple suspensions.
What is this about?
Well, look at yourself.
I've been cooperating. I'm telling you right now, I have a brother who's a police officer and I have an uncle who's a lawyer.
You're under arrest for DUI.
You're about to face some real serious consequences. You know what? I hope this is work a job. You're not gonna ever be able to work for anything government-wise. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You right there in front of me, you're going to jail, baby.
I am going to jail, actually. I have to drop you off there.
How do you arrest me for a DUI? Because you want to?
Because probable cause exists to make a lawful
What's
arrest.
the probable cause?
You blowing through a red light?
So that means I'm arrested for a DUI.
Well, all of the other factors, man. The open container, the smell of alcohol, my observations on the
It doesn't mean
DUI,
DUI.
investigation.
It doesn't. I'm telling you it doesn't.
Can we start moving so I can get her to the DUI center?
Yes.
Appreciate it.
I just wanted it. It was with 1 whiskey Foxtrot 1015. The 51 in the bike office. Copy starting. We're doing the same.
Same
number.
number for everything. Cool.
All right, ma'am. How are you? Step on out. I'm just gonna search you, okay? You gotta stand still. Can you do that?
You have me off a curb.
Nope. I actually had you flat-footed, off the
There's
curb.
only a sense of
Widen
light
your
on the
stance.
curb.
Widen your stance. Wider.
What else do you
Wider.
want? What else do you want?
Wider.
It can't go wider.
If you can't, I
No, I
promise you.
can't.
Try. There you go.
Hey,
Hold on, say it.
They already have me for resisting as well, so
Yeah, so you-
I'm good.
Do not do that. Stop.
Good.
Moving your hand when you then get to the ground. You good?
Yeah.
You're searching me to go to jail. When they're already, don't push me. I know.
Stop pulling away from me.
Stop. Don't. I'm not pulling away from you. Don't push me. Hello. Help!
Yeah,
I'm
come
being
like this.
arrested. I'm being arrested unlawfully.
Hold her like this.
Record
Against.
this if you can. Record this if you can.
We're recording right now.
Oh my God, I feel violated. I'm being sexually assaulted.
Nobody
I'm being sexually assaulted.
I'm searching your
Help me. I will protect myself if you want to continue to do this. This is not the right way to hold somebody. This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop.
This is not the right way to hold somebody. That's not the right way.
Resisting, man.
Oh, not the right way. You're gonna break my arm.
Stop resisting.
Stop
Then.
holding me like that. This is an improper way to hold me.
Where's
Improper. Get your arm from under my elbow. Get your arm from under my elbow. Get your arm from under my elbow. They're holding me wrong. That bitch right here is holding me from under my elbow.
Because of the way you're acting, yes.
No, you're letting her do this to me.
No. As of right now, no.
Maybe if she does that.
I don't give a fuck, you dumb white bitch.
Really hurts my feelings.
Watch closely because this is the ultimate sign of defeat. When the fake stories stop working, the walking test is a disaster, and there's nowhere left to run. Desperate suspects pull out their final trick, playing the victim. By suddenly screaming assault during a normal police search and threatening to have a fake seizure, she's not just acting crazy, she's actually trying to manipulate the cops. She hopes that making a huge scene will scare the officers into dropping the arrest to avoid a lawsuit or bad press. It's an ugly, desperate move from someone who knows the game is completely over.
Racist bitch. You can still get out of it, by the way.
Don't do that, because that's gonna be a problem for you. All right.
Aww. This is my get too hard at night? Is this what you get off to at night?
Nope.
Do you masturbate to this?
Nope.
Is this like you make me feel superior?
Nope.
Oh, maybe you do. I got out of your handcuffs once. I'll do it.
If you do that, I will charge you. You'll get charged with escape. That's a felony.
I have to pee. I'm very frustrated. You haven't done anything proper in your job, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna have a seizure in the next couple of minutes if you don't help me out right now. If you don't at least let me release myself, I'm gonna have a seizure. I don't want that dumb fucking bitch officer around.
Whoa, watch your language. We're gonna let her use the restroom first.
I don't want to be taken by her.
Ma'am, that's not how this works.
You're here.
You're not.
So,
You're not.
I don't
you're
like
not,
her.
You're not in control of this arrest. I am, and she's gonna take you because it's another woman.
As good as he is, at least he hasn't hurt me.
Do you still have to use the restroom?
Yes.
Well, the female has to watch you as you do that.
You don't get to dictate it, so.
Does you get to see my private part?
In the end, all her fake seizures and screaming didn't save her. Court records show she was charged with battery on a police officer, DUI, driving with a suspended license, and resisting arrest. She ended up on probation and had to pay over $1,300 in fines. This is what happens when you try to outsmart the cops while drunk. The words you think are saving you are exactly what lock the handcuffs. Hit the subscribe button right now for more breakdowns, and remember, the body cam never lies. Never.